represent a simplified version of how a small to medium-sized business or network might look. Feel free to explore network on all your own. When you're ready, proceed through the following steps and answer the question. So, try the answer. So, this is the topology. Then, step 1, identify the common component of the network as represented in Packet Tracer. The icon A. The icon toolbar at the bottom left-hand corner has curious category of networking components. You should see category that correspond to intermediary devices, end devices, and media. The connections category with the lightning bolt. So here is the lightning bolts icon represent the networking media supported by Packet Tracer. There is also an end devices category and two categories specific to Packet Tracer: custom mode devices and multi-users connections. So you can see there are other options to click here. So step 1 is list the intermediary device categories. So as you can see, topology, the intermediary devices are the WRS, then modem, so switch, router, then wireless AP, then the routers here, IP, switch, and then the other switch. So, so that's all the intermediate devices. So letter C. Without entering into Internet Cloud and Ethernet clouds, how many icons in the topology represent endpoint devices? Only in one connection leading to them. So first is, you can see here, 1, 2, 3. So only one connection here. Then tablet, modem, the branch server, laser, then the 7, 6, 7, 8, 9. So then 13. So there are 15 intermediary devices that have one connection leading to them. So without counting to two clouds, how many icons topology represent intermediary devices? Multiple connection leading to them. Yes. So the topology. 2, 3, 4, then 5 for router, then this 2, 5, 6, 7, and the other one, other switch, then 2. How many end devices are not desktop computers? Are not desktop computers. So here the desktop computer here and this. So there have 1, 2, 1 smartphone laptops, and then here another. So there are 10 and devices that are not desktop computers. So, how many different types of video connection are used in network topology? The media connection are used in are so then there you can see there is here serial here and this to this part, and then the so therefore three different types of connections. Then step 2, explain the purpose of the devices. In Packet Tracer, only the server PT device can act as a server. Desktop or laptop CC cannot act as server. Based on your day studies so far, so peer-to-peer connection is called server. The client can to the server, anything else, and the server to the client, from the branch server to can't be transferred to the computer. So list at least two function of intermediary devices. So the listing the two function of intermediary devices are primary source of providers and information services. So letter C. List at least two criteria for choosing a network media types. For the two criteria types for choosing a network media types. So there is signal and bit media. Compare and contrast LANs and WAN. Step 3. Explain the difference between a LAN and WAN. Giving the difference LAN and WAN. A LAN is a local area network. Is a computer network that is limited to inside the campus. Then the WAN is wireless area network. So example of LAN is small area. Then the one is the wide area. So letter B, in the Packet Tracer network, how many ones do you see? So I think it is 5. Intranet, internet, extranet, and then this blue line, and then so how many lines do you see? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there are 16. So there are 16 lands have in here topology. The internet in this map does not represent the structure and form of real internet. Briefly describe the internet. The internet is someone that always do or using the information are coming from. So it is very useful. What are the common methods that business use connect the internet in your area? So the some common use in the business is service. So nakakakat ba to? Nakakat?